All right. Breaking news coming in at this moment. New WhatsApp chats which have emerged as of now. In fact, the revelations in these WhatsApp chats are pertaining to the drug link as far as Rhea Chakraborty is concerned. These explosive WhatsApp chats are between Rhea Chakraborty, talent manager Jaya Shah, Saha and Shruti Modi. Now, in these chats from November 25th last year, Jaya Saha, the talent manager, says to Rhea, sending CBD oil or cannabidiol to Waterstone. Waterstone was the resort where Sushant and Rhea were staying for a few months. Jaya Saha says you can take CBD twice or 3 times. Rhea, after administering CBD to Sushant, yes, calmed him down quite a bit. So this is the latest, in fact, as far as the breakings are concerned. Let me go across to Munish Pandey, my colleague who is joining us. Munish, 2 things emerged from this, that there was, Rhea and her talent manager, those who were in fact procuring these drugs. It also emerged Sushant Singh Rajput was a regular user of these substances as well.
Yes, Ankit, you are right, and these are the new chats which has been retrieved by the Enforcement Directorate and then passed on to CBI and Narcotics Control Bureau as evidence. Now, also we have some more chats at this point of time, and in one of the chat, there is a conversation between Rhea Chakraborty and the other person where she says that, hi, can you give Deepesh 17,000 for 2 bags of weed? One for us, another for him. He will transfer it to us. So, Ankit, why this is serious? Because this is not a quantity which is only for consumption. For in Narcotics Act, NDPS Act, if you are buying or procuring or even talking about drugs which is more than the consumable quantity, then there is a severe punishment. And these new chats are in the year 2019 and 2020 when Rhea Chakraborty was with Sushant Singh Rajput. Also, this becomes serious not only for Rhea Chakraborty but also gives an indication that even Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming these drugs, and this has already come out in this statement given by Neeraj Singh, the cook of Sushant Singh Rajput, in which he said that he used to roll marijuana cigarettes for Sushant Singh Rajput. So overall, what we can understand that these chats will have 2 aspects. One is the conversation between Jaya Saha
Munish, may I request you to stay on with me? There is another breaking news coming in. We'll quickly go across to that, and I'm going to come right back to you on that story. In fact, another breaking news which we are getting at the top of the bulletin. India Today has accessed inside details of the Narcotics Bureau probe into Sushant Singh Rajput death and drug link. Now, Narcotics Bureau is making a list of the drug peddlers who were allegedly in touch with Rhea Chakraborty. Narcotics Bureau is gathering information about friends of Rhea, Sushant and Shobik. The NCB will look into Rhea's travel, parties thrown by her, and also NCB will probe the involvement of drug peddler called Ayash Khan. So these are the important details which we are getting right now. Munish, in fact, breaking the story as well. Munish, now Narcotics Control Bureau in fact, going deeper into this entire nexus, into these allegations. 2 things here. Rhea Chakraborty, of course, with what we have seen so far, would be investigated whether she was procuring or distributing these drugs. And number 2, another angle for the CBI in this would be whether Sushant Singh Rajput was administering or taking these drugs himself, or was he being, somehow coerced into it. That is also an angle that would be looked into, isn't it, Munish?
Absolutely, Ankit, you are absolutely right. And, this afternoon there was a meeting between the NCB Delhi officials and the director of NCB, that is Rakesh Asthana. And during the meeting, it was decided that they will go through the evidence which has been shared by the Enforcement Directorate. And why these statements and WhatsApp chats are important, because these are being treated as evidence in the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput. And the conversation are from 2017 to 2020, where Rhea Chakraborty, Shobik Chakravarti, Jaya Shah, Deepesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda, all these persons who were very close to and those who were working for Sushant Singh Rajput, they are talking about drugs. Now, according to NCB sources, what they are claiming that after going through this, they will start an inquiry. It means there will be a case against Riya Chakravarti, Shavik Chakravarti, Deepesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda, and many other people, because initial inquiry by the NCB has revealed that there are many people who were close to Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakravarti.
Munish, I just want to once again go back to the revelations that we got in the first breaking news, which was in fact speaking about exact details of the drugs that were being administered, that was being used. It's a conversation between Jaya Saha, the talent manager, and Riya Chakravarti. If you could tell our viewers what is this CBD oil, and is the NCB soon going to question Jaya Saha, Riya Chakravarti, and everybody who has been mentioned? Because this is a very clear evidence where Riya is in fact saying that Sushant is now calmed down a bit after giving him CBD.
Yeah, well, CBD is basically a drug which is, it is again banned substances. And in one of the chat, Jaya Saha is telling Riya Chakravarti, that is in year 2020, that if you give few drops in coffee or tea, then it will kick in 30 to 40 minutes. And this conversation later goes on to say that after administrating, the Sushant Singh Rajput calmed down. This is what is being indicated as of now. But also there is another chat where there is a conversation between Riya Chakravarti and Shruti Modi, where she is saying that Sushant, there is no name, but it is being indicated that Sushant is behaving very weirdly, and what should we do? That story was broken by my colleague Divesh Singh. So here we are talking about treatment, here we are talking about drug consumption, and here we are talking about quantity which might be, according to NDPS, may be included into dealings also. So this is something which has become very complicated, because initially it was a death case of Sushant Singh Rajput, but now the chat, and these are retrieved chats, these were deleted from Riya's mobile phone after ED went to sent to forensics. Then these chats have been recovered, and we have been given to understand is that in this regard, Neeraj and Samuel Miranda have been questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation, where we are standing. Neeraj and Siddharth are still here, and it is being indicated by CBI that all these people are being questioned about this drug connection. This is something, whether it will have any impact or any connection with the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput or not, that we are not aware of, Ankit, at this point of time. But yes, CBI is probing into
Munish,
it. And
I just
NCB
want to understand from you. Munish, hold on. I just want to understand from you right now, this CBD oil that we are talking about, it is a simple Google search will tell you that this oil, it has medicinal properties, and it is used in relieving anxiety, effects of depression. Important thing, or at least what I am reading, and you can confirm it to me, CBD oil is legal in India, but it must be a low concentration of THC. Is there any illegality in what we are seeing right now? Because this seems, of at least what I can gather, that CBD oil is a legal substance used as a medicinal property or as a medicinal oil to reduce anxiety and depression.
Yeah, well, CBD oil is basically cannabidiol oil, and it comes from cannabis. Now, it can be used, but only for medical purposes and research purposes. If you are consuming for something else, then it is not legal in India. Even to, if you want to buy it, then you need to have medical prescription to buy it from a store. And if you are buying it for some drug purpose, then it is again going to be illegal in nature. So at this point of time, this conversation about CBD is about where Sushant Singh Rajput was, in a way behaving that Riya, according to Riya, in the conversation, was behaving in a manner where
did he have a prescription for CBD oil? Because we already know that Sushant Singh Rajput was in fact going through depression. He was getting treatment for depression. So did he have any prescription for CBD oil or not? Do we have any information on that, or any, what are your sources telling you as far as CBD is concerned?
Yeah, well, Ankit, this information has just come into picture. Just 2 days back, CBI got this WhatsApp chats, and now NCB is looking into it. But whether he was having any prescription or not, that is still not clear. But in the conversation between Rhea Chakravarti and Shruti Modi, one thing is clear, that Rhea Chakravarti was also trying to heal Sushant Singh Rajput, and there is a proper conversation that he should stop doing weeds. So there is one conversation about this, but why CBI and NCB are taking this very seriously? Because it starts from 2017, when Rhea Chakravarti was not even in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput. Now 2019 and 2020 conversations are specifically only about drugs, and there is also mention of Souvik Chakravarti, who is also a named accused in the case. And these conversations were even deleted from our phones. So that is why the CBI and NCB are very suspicious about it, and now they have started grilling people over this. Ankit.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.